Septic system problems can totally wreck your home budget if you don't get a licensed septic company to inspect it properly before buying a place, especially with stuff like tree roots clogging up lateral lines. Okay, so here's the deal. When you're buying a house with a septic system, don't just trust a regular home inspector. Get a licensed septic expert to check everything out because they know what to look for, like clogged lateral lines or failing pumps. You want to ask about the lift station pump if the system has one, but also make sure they check the whole setup, including the drain field and tank condition. If you spot any signs of slow drains or weird smells, that's a red flag right there. Regular septic maintenance is clutch, like pumping the tank every 3 to 5 years depending on usage and size. Also, avoid planting trees or big shrubs near your drain field because roots can crush or clog pipes. Keep heavy vehicles off the drain field to stop damage. And seriously, don't ignore small signs of trouble since septic repairs can get super expensive real quick. One of the biggest mistakes folks make with septic systems is skipping a full inspection by a licensed septic company before buying a home, which leads to surprise repairs later that can cost tens of thousands. Another common issue is ignoring proper maintenance, like failing to pump your tank regularly, which causes backups and system failure. The third mistake is planting trees or big plants too close to the drain field, letting roots invade and clog those lateral lines. The fixes? Always get a licensed septic pro to inspect before you buy, set a maintenance schedule and stick to it, and keep trees and heavy stuff away from your drain field area. BigHomeProjects.com makes finding trusted local contractors way easier, so you don't get stuck with shady or unqualified workers when handling your septic system or any other home project. Plus, it helps contractors connect with homeowners who need their skills, making the whole process smoother and more reliable for everyone involved.